What is it?
This a pizza. You eat that.
It's a pizza for me?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I'll try it. Are you playing with my sprinkles?
Yes.
Here we are making cookies, Christmas cookies, December, what is it, December 9th, 2012. So far we got ginger snaps and sugar cookies. Next on the menu is pecan pralines. What are you doing? Sayla, what are you doing? Sayla,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Go. Eat them. I bet you eat them.
Look at them all over her mouth. And her hands. And her face.